full disclosure, I actually kayak, so let me show you my baby. This is my boat. Here, come over here. So the inside of a kayak is really unique. It's made with carbon fiber. That's what makes the seat and the footboard there where your feet rest. That stick in the middle is how you steer the boat, so you put it in between your feet. And you can adjust everything. Right now it's at my 15-year-old brother's size, not mine, but I'm glad that someone uses the boat while I'm away. A sprint kayak is a hollow boat specialized for short races held on flat water. They are light, narrow, and therefore quite unstable. Sprint boats are paddled either by a single paddler or in teams of 2 or 4. The official international distances for races are 200 meters, 500 meters, and 1,000 meters. Canoe Kayak Canada merges both sprint canoe and sprint kayak. While a sprint kayak is a seated boat with a double-bladed paddle, a sprint canoe is paddled in a high kneel position using a single-bladed paddle. To learn more, check out fcrcc.com's youth program page or message Flatwater at fcrcc.com.